I just grabbed some wood to make a fire for lunch. I'm gonna make a traditional food which is very popular in my country. It's called خورش مسما. We've got some pieces of chicken. We're going to marinate them with some turmeric and some salt. Now the fire is ready. I put the pan here and add some oil. Once it's hot enough, we add chicken. While the chickens are frying, I chop some onions. Now we take them out and set them aside. Now add the onions. One tablespoon of curry, tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of barberries, and mix them. Two cups of plums. One tablespoon of pomegranate paste. Add 3 cups of hot water. Then add the chickens and let them cook for about 1 hour. Okay, it's raining and the food is ready. It's getting cold. Let's serve it inside.
یه کرسی بخور اینجا باشه یه جا تمام میکنه اینا